Welcome to Savita Dental College lecture class series in general pathology. The topic of discussion is tumor suppressor genes. The tumor suppressor genes normally regulate the cell growth. Whenever there is a failure in this growth regulation, that causes development of cancer. According to the site of the presence, the tumor suppressor genes are divided into cell surface genes, inner aspect of the plasma membrane, and cytosolic genes, cytoplasmic genes, and nuclear genes. These nuclear genes are P53, retinoblastoma RB gene, BRCA, and P16 are very important because these regulate the cell cycle. The main one are P53 and RB gene. Coming to the RB gene, that is the first discovered tumor suppressor gene from a tumor called retinoblastoma, a tumor of eye. That are two types, familial and sporadic. And this RB gene, why it is important means it will regulate the cell cycle and the transition of G1 to S phase. It will regulate the cyclins D and E. When it gets activated in a hypophosphorylated state, it won't release the transcription factor for cell cycle progression. If it gets inactivated in hypophosphorylated state, it will release the transcription factor for cell cycle progression. And this RB gene will follow a two-hit hypothesis called Knutson's two-hit hypothesis. According to this hypothesis, both the normal allele should be inactivated for the development of retinoblastoma. In case of familial retinoblastoma, the first hit is inherited and is present in all the somatic cells, whereas the second hit is seen due to point mutation in retinal cells after the birth. In case of sporadic retinoblastoma, both the mutations in RB gene acquired in the retinal cells after birth. The next one is the P53 gene, otherwise known as molecular policeman or guardian of genome. This is most important gene we can see in all the tumors. Commonly present in chromosome 17p. Whenever there is a signals for cancers occur, like ionizing radiation or carcinogens, if the cell is having normal P53, this P53 will be activated and binds to the DNA, cause senescence and end in cell death, or it will cause cell cycle arrest for DNA repair, or it will end up the cell in apoptosis. If the cell is not having the P53 normal, like mutations or loss of P53, this P53 dependent genes are not activated, there won't be no cell arrest or no DNA repair or no senescence. This mutant cells will get expanded with additional mutations or end in malignant tumor. That's all about the tumor suppressor genes. Thank you.